So my last dhyan finished. Today sit fifth time, around 50 minutes, no 52 minutes something. I'm damn tired, and the energy say that now you can't breathe now. The experience was unbelievable. I sit 10 minutes later. Here have one bike before. Some people come to bike and talk. I put there, sit. I heard something. I say I think they will go, but it will not happen. They stay here around 10 minutes, and then after then I go to I see them. I saw, oh, they come to here to take the bike because it think damage or something. I think my car going to take. Little worry. So I stop meditation in the 15 minutes. I come out. When I come out, I say Sinchang, hello. Okay, then I go again. They come and they go. Then I go into the dhyana. 10 minutes. I go. I feel. I always still here, right? Now I feel my chetana like this, and it's like lots of mosquito cutting me on that time, very bad. So my chetana like this till I sit there till there. My chetana like some waves. Oh my God, what happening? I saw. I'm go out from my body. I felt that. I go out from my body. I'm breathing normally. I think let I go there. I just feel like let I go. I mean, just go out, not go out. It's like just my illusion. I'm just taking outside because I used to do like that. Like when I sit meditation, I put my one pawan here, standing. One is doing like, oh, come on, continue. You are doing good. And one is here, take care of my legs or something like that. One pawan is here, sit down and welcome to the energies. Okay, so I do usually that. So this time I check my chetna there I filed first I go to see there, right? So I say, oh, wow, my chetna is very high. It's like aura very high. So I say let I go up and see me myself, because I saw some people have a video. They said that when you go out you can see yourself down. So I not felt that. I try to go on my chetna there up at top, but I see not cannot see anything. No any. That's just I just felt something is whoa wave or like how cannot see anything. This happened in the first round, around half an hour. Then after then my body here I feel Agya Chakra something happening. I don't know. After then, that's after later. Then Agya Chakra something happening. I don't know what happening here, but I saw everything is keep quiet. I'm just breathing. I'm thinking what happening. No anything. Something connect behind. I don't know what is connect. Something like my shirt also stuck in the last tuck, like this shirt. I think something pulling from my back. Sure, it's chakras. Okay, the chakras working. The more focus here in Anaha chakra, down Swadhisthana, and the Agya chakra. Or Sastrar is complete, is working continue. Oh my God, something happening. What happening? And before that round, there something in my brain, something wiring. You know, you understand wiring of my body all. This time happened this also. First, you know, it's like this. They catch me very tight. make my body completely bond, understand? I can't let it move, just only take a breathe. I can feel something. I felt that is okay. Is it okay? Is the bending is okay? But the experience was today. Oh my God! A lots of experience, not one. Two. My leg's paining. So that's exercise. I exercised before. I think it's work very good. So one time my body completely locked, like a jal. You know, jal is net. Completely, they make me like, you know, this time is completely different net. Like this, like tung 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 tung. By my breathing, breathing. Tup. Then something happened. Then after, then lock body. Then nothing happened. Okay. Then 5-7 minutes, something happening inside. Backside chakras. Duck. I don't know what happening. I say. Sometime I tell the God name. Okay. So right now the night is out. So at the last also the power going to finish completely. I want to do more, but because you know when you go meditation, till the time you have a energy, your body have a energy. I can feel my breathe by the hair, by the spinal cord, from here breathing, zoop, 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 or the energy, zoop, zoop. Here breathe and here breathe, two plate breathe. Oh my God. The today experience was, it's not open anything, still anything not happen. Only here knock. But now my aura and my waves, what is called Chetna, is a conscience, and whatever is called is very bigger now. Very high, very high. You can feel the top of the high in the mountain. It's like mountain, and then you like. And sometimes I want to see myself, but I cannot. Okay, so let's see happen next. So okay, let's go. I am want to bath. Now it's going to rain. Chalo, okay. So my mat, I'm getting.